Welcome back to the first episode of 9volt and 18volt Reacts. Today we're going to react to the poop sound effect, where a guy got diarrhea and got pooped at by the toilet. And it's gonna be so loud, right? Okay, let's go, dude. Okay, push the sound effect button. 3, 2, 1, do. What is that? Who made this? What is that? What? What is that? It's too loud, right? Yes, I know. Thank you for watching our reaction video. More videos will be coming soon, right? Yes, correct. Now end of reaction.